Vermont Supreme Court dismisses lawsuit over mistaken child vaccination. In a recent legal decision, the Vermont Supreme Court upheld the dismissal of a lawsuit involving a 6-year-old child, LP, mistakenly vaccinated without parental consent at Academy School. The case arose when LP received the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine due to a misidentification error, despite his parents, Dario and Shujin Politella, express instructions against vaccination. The incident occurred when school officials mistakenly identified LP as another student scheduled for vaccination. Despite the child's verbal protest, saying his parents said no, clinic workers distracted him and administered the vaccine, later realizing their error and apologizing to LP's parents. The Politellas subsequently filed a lawsuit against the state of Vermont and school employees, asserting claims such as negligence and battery. The question I'd ask is, why would they give the child a shot when he said his parents said no? Such an act so vile. I feel violated just reading it. The crux of the legal battle centered on whether the defendants were shielded by the Federal Public Readiness and Emergency Preparedness Act, PrEP Act, which offers immunity to those administering covered countermeasures like vaccines. The Vermont Supreme Court agreed with the trial court's decision, concluding that the PrEP Act preempted the parents' claims, thereby affirming the complaint's dismissal due to lack of subject matter jurisdiction. Despite this setback, the Politellas consider pursuing federal court review or seeking exceptions under the PrEP Act that could apply to their case. Other potential strategies include amending the complaint to emphasize procedural failures or advocating for legislative changes. At present, the decision stands, highlighting significant legal protections for vaccine administrators under federal law. Obviously, they removed their child from the school, wouldn't you?
Have you or someone close to you suffered harm from being injected? Share your story about yourself or someone else with us. Our aim is to create an undeniable awareness that will compel those accountable to address the issues and make amends. This service is provided in honor of General Carl Miller, and with his knowledge, just one person with the right amount of passion could cleanse the entire system. We never waste your time, so let me continue this conversation by you going to injectionjustice.com right now before it slips your mind. I'll see you there.